Welcome to our tutorial where we explore an advanced Excel technique. Today's focus is on converting what seem to be mere strings into powerful, calculable formulas, adding a new dimension to your spreadsheet capabilities. You may have encountered a situation in Excel where you have a list of data that appears formulaic but are currently treated as plain text. This tutorial will change that, unlocking the full potential of your data. To embark on this transformation, we first need to access the right tools. Excel's Developer tab is our gateway to this functionality. If it's not visible, you'll need to customize the ribbon to include it. With the Developer tab at our disposal, we click on the Visual Basic command, or take the quick route with the Alt plus F11 shortcut. This opens up the powerful Visual Basic editor. In the Visual Basic editor, we're going to craft a new module. This is done by clicking Insert and then selecting Module. It's here that we'll embed our custom Excel function. Now, we'll write a VBA code snippet that will act as a bridge between text strings and Excel formulas. This user-defined function will be our key to unlocking the data's potential. Our UDF, named evaluateString, is where the magic happens. It takes a string that looks like a formula and uses the evaluate function to convert it into a working formula within Excel. After embedding the VBA code, the next crucial step is to save it. Saving ensures that our function is embedded into the workbook, ready to be utilized. Return to your Excel worksheet and put our new function to the test. Type =evaluateString, C1, in a cell to see how it transforms the text string into a live formula. Use the autofill feature to extend the evaluateString function across your range of cells. This will apply the formula to all selected cells, turning each text string into a calculable formula. As you apply the function, watch closely as Excel transforms each text string into a live formula. This is a testament to the power of VBA in enhancing Excel's capabilities. You've now learned how to turn static text strings into dynamic formulas, a skill that can significantly streamline your data processing tasks in Excel and make your workbooks more interactive. Thank you for watching this Excel journey. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, please consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the like button.